So you can see right here that I've made $1,000 today. As you can see, my all-time earnings right here is $283,000 all-time right here. Last month, I did make $18,000 with this OG account right here. So what I want to do right here is to click onto this and click onto reload right here. And as you can see, it's going to actually reload right here. It's all reloading. And then if I actually go ahead and take a scroll down right here, you can see that everything remains the same right here. My all-time last month, was this month, and right here you could see right here this year right here. Now let me go on to CPA grip right here, and as you can see, I'm going to actually go ahead right now and refresh right here. So you see right here, it's all refresh. And then if we go down right here, you could see that I've made an all-time meaning of $18,000, 14 right here total paid. We also have a pending balance of this right here. I'm going to go on to one other platform right here called Warrior Plus right here, and I can go ahead right now and click on to refresh right now. So you see right here, it's going to actually fully refresh. And once this is all done right here, I can go down right here and show you that today I've made $400. Yesterday, $600. Last 7 days was $3,000. Last 30 days was $13,000 on this particular account. And all because I was using this method that I'm going to share with you in this video, as you can make money like this every single month. Now, because you are watching this video, then this CPA marketing course is going to be very important to you. So grab my CPA marketing course, link in the description of this particular video. That being said, let's dive into the video.